This video is made adult collectors for age 30 plus. Viewer description is advised. What's up, Transformers fans? It is your boy Michael here, and welcome back to the Michael Toy Unboxing. So today, we'll be taking a closer look at the Yolopark Transformers G1 MK Mini Series Weight Free G1 Ratchet 11 centimeters. So this is really exciting. Taking a look at them. I collab for with the IRONHIDE for the His Brothers or something with friends from the Autobots group. For this is the G1 version. This is the model kit version of this one. So this is this one holographic background to the rainbow. It's pretty exciting, and the images of this one is so amazing. And you guys see, as you can see for this one, the model kit Ratchet, it looks pretty cool. The poses. Then we got the age 8+. We got the Yolopark logo, nice background. We have this no required, like no glue, no painting, and no tools required. And we guys see the Transformers or Transformers G1 logo. And we guys see, I hope enjoying this one there. This is kind of pretty exciting for the Ratchet. From the side to the box to the red or whatever, right for one, left, right. Yeah, this is the freeze instruction for this. These holographic looks. The picture is so pretty insane. So this is the height with the 11 meters, or I mean 11 centimeters. And then this one here, this one, and the side by side back. The white one, the Transformers franchise logo, the authentic or whatever. This is Autobots logo here, and then this one, the G1 logo here, and this one up in there, the top and the bottom. Not to see, as you can see, as with the back when the packaging. And this one, the Ratchet, these images look so cool. And like I see, I don't think that this is a single board background. It looks pretty awful. I can't really set up this one or this later. This one though. Anyways, you guys see, this is a really scan up to know more. But this is this one, the version of this, the blind box version of this one. I don't know what happened to the Philippines version, and it is the cost. Anyway, this is the cost of 429 pesos. I don't think that actually this Yolopark for this MK Mini Series one. Okay, let's get into it. If you do like this video, smash the like, subscribe button, notification bells for the notify for the latest videos, and let's get it started opening. Okay guys, so let's get unboxing for this one. I'm sorry but this is the set and this accessories with the Yolopark hands of the MK Mini Series version, but I have no idea of this one here. Okay, I'm gonna see open it really laziness. I'm so confused. And you guys see, look at no tape in this group here. Wow, I never thought. I mean, this G1 is. I don't have any jazz, hauled, proud. They lost them. I lost them. Friends like Cliff Jumper, the old Bumblebee friends, and this on this group. Okay, so let's get to put excited for this one. I don't have anything scissors for this one. Sorry about that. Oh, let's get a bit exciting. Yeah, we got that. Oh, look at that. So we gotta see. Oh, whoa, we got another one. Oh, we got card. The mini card. Hell yeah. Oh, look at that. Look at this. We got the 11 centimeters of this one. The Ratchet card game looks so good. The holographic is so really cool. And I got the visit to the code. And that's cute. This is a scanner with QR code. It looks pretty nice. And you guys see the same way for the QR code, like the Hong Kong, Cantonese, Chinese, China, whatever you want. For some reason, and they got English version. We got to see QR code, whatever. I'm tired for this one, this build, and this is one Ratchet, the chief medical officer. He's all about the chief medical officer. You get this one instructions for this same picture for this Ratchet. Woo! Look at those things. And we got see. And we got these one instructions. Don't look for the instructions, guys. It's very dangerous. This Subconscious is really angry for this. Oh wait, by the way, for this guys, do you see pieces of this one? So we got these, the chest one, the arms, legs, the feet, the shoulders, the hands accessories. I don't have any point guns. This one is blasters with hand something. Alright. Alright guys, let's build it up. Alright guys, I'm finishing with the building with Ratchet from the Yolopark Transformers G1 and making me the series Wave 3. So today, I'm gonna say it looks pretty good figures, and this looks like the non-transforming figures for some reason. So let's get a tracker for the... So who is Ratchet? He is a chief medical officer from the Autobots in this one. So like the brothers of the Ironhide looks, their bodies look same like Ironhide. And you guys see if this the shields on this, the window blue, the color paint blue looks pretty good, and it's pretty nice. And you guys see the plastic material of this, it looks like this one. They like the bodies, there's the shoulders, elbows, they whatever, the shoulders, thighs, and then this is like a head, shoulder, knees or toes, I don't know. I'm so funny. And I got the feet when looks under this one. This one, the heads, it looks like the helmets in this and the knees. Then you guys see the extended joints. Looks pretty. It's so amazing. Anyways, you guys see the skirts of this color red, the plastic, and I got the hands for this one, the color red version, like the G1 Autobots logo. Well, this 90s or 80s versions, and this is silver paint, the light looks pretty nice. And we got a horn, the gray, color gray, and this is face expression. Face expression. The mouth they printed, and anyways the color gray face, the light gray is so good, and with dark gray the horn. I don't think it actually the Ratchet looks like the 80s version. I'm kind of popping out of this one. Wait, so this one this with the building up, and we got backing out with this one. Looks detailed like cartoon version. It looks pretty nice. Anyways, I don't have any the weapons accessories with the Ratchet. So my accessories, hand accessories. And we got the first one. It's like that. Hold on. Let me see the closer up. And we got that. See, that the backup for this one. My blood camera looks so awful. And you guys, the fist, the closed hands. This one here. I don't think it actually for the Ratchet looks the opposite, and I don't know why. This is official. This is this wrong name. Sorry. And you got them. So again, this is the card the Ratchet. It is probably a nose. It looks same like the Wave 3 version. The mount of this one, this background holographic, and picture looks pretty cool. And you guys see QR code. Scan a QR code. Visit us. I don't think that actually this one well, it's so amazing. This figures for some reason. And there's model kit for this one. The screwdriver, the pipe and server. Look at those things. And you guys see they printed out of this building out of this one. Okay, so looks pretty nice. I don't think it actually with the jazz how the Proud and Grip Jumper, the Wave 2 version. It's nothing coming out of this one. The Toy Kingdom, Toys R Us, or the Toy Town in the Philippines store for the toy store in the Philippines. So let me see. So accessories time. So we got this. Look it up, look it down for this head, for this side by side. You guys see the rotation 360. Oh, you guys see. Look at those. Okay, looks pretty cool. It's pretty good. Okay, so let's get it. This one, the arms. Look at this, up and down, side by side. The rotation 360. Okay, for this, the elbows and the arms, the side by side. Look at the elbows. The elbows one, they open up and down. Hands of the accessories of this one, 360 rotation. And you guys see the left one. Got them the up and side by side, up and down for the the accessories on this one. 360 rotation. We got that. This the crouch, the abs. We got up and down, side by side. Or this one rotation. You can see the rotation 360. Looks pretty nice. We got that. We got the legs one, the right one of these side by side, up and down. Nothing there. It's a little bit of this in this one though. And we got to see the dice one, so side by side, the swivel 360 rotation. I guess the knees, the extended joints. This got a joints one. Oh, look at those things. The up and down, the extended joint. And we got then the up and down, the feet side by side. It looks pretty nice. I kind of building with this messed up with Ratchet to this figures. And we got this one, left one, side by side, up and down a little bit. This the dice, swivel. We got some 360 rotation. Oh, you guys see that? Look at those. And we got the feet up and down, side by side. Let's go see. Also, we have the extended ball joints. You guys see the lay down to this lower ones, but this is the one I'm kind of excited for this. For the right one, for this side by side, I kind of really disappointed for this one. Look at those, the extended bolts. Oh, look at those, Whoa, look at those crazy ball joints here. The extended ball joints looks so really high kick to this high kick with this side by side. Up and down. Look at those things. Woo! That's pretty legit. I don't know why this is so cool, and it's kind of really carefully the amount of details they're missing in the Red Cross version of this G1 logo here. I don't think this actually looks like, but it's funny. This is really good. Okay, this hand swivel left. The 360 on the 360 of the rotation. That's better one. Okay. This looks pretty good though. Anyways, I'm gonna see. So I'm gonna Ratchet with this one though. I don't think actually even the Ratchet looks same like the IRONHIDE version. I really want to know. This looks kind of smaller for this thing. So I'm gonna give you the. Hold on, let me get this ruler rotation there. Anyways, by the way, I'm gonna this looks like it's the ins for this one. Okay, okay. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, we got the 4.9 inches. We got the 11 centimeters. Hold on, 11.5 centimeters. This is not really the same. Anyways, we got these. Oh wait, we got this one here. I gotta tell you the same. Looks pretty figures. Looks pretty the same. And this is a really cool figures for this one. Here he's then. Okay, so let's gonna do. And here is with the size comparison with the weight 1 Optimus Prime. Looks even height and this one 12 centimeters. And we got the weight 2 Optimus Prime or Hot Rod. What we got to notice, height is really good. My angle so that looks pretty bad. Okay, this looks better. And we got with the IRONHIDE from this one here. But it looks kind of smaller. This the high potential. So it looks pretty same at 11.5 centimeters. But this is a pretty excited. This one here. It don't looks like the same. The IRONHIDE and Ratchet. It looks pretty cool. And then finally with the HT1/144 Gundam Aerial. And I got this. We also nothing exclusively, but it does the importantly. So I'm gonna try this one. The amount of details of this one. The Yolopark Transformers, the non-transforming figures and model kits, and we got that for this one. And also T13 dummy. A little bit the 12 centimeters of this one is kind of smaller. So obvious reason don't think this is actually about. Anyway, so I'm gonna give it the rating for the Ratchet for these MK mini series. Weight free is a 7.5 out of 10. Looks pretty good. This is pretty not nice. It's not a great figures or model kits. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna go decide for this one. The next one, the Blockies Bumblebee Dark in the Mood version. I don't think that this looks it looks awful. It's May time and Friday time, so you know what to say. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, notification bell for them notified for the latest videos. Follow us on social media so you guys see it, and let me know which your favorite Transformers model kits, and this which one, Blockies or Yolopark, which one is favorite. Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoying this theater on my next video. Bye, peace.